I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your macOS device, such as an iMac or a MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Bluetooth. Step 3. Make sure the device you want to connect to is in discoverability mode and then hold it near your Mac device, such as an iMac or a MacBook. Eventually, you'll see that device displayed in the Nearby Devices section. Step 4. Hold your cursor over the name of the Bluetooth device you want to connect to in the Nearby Devices section and then click Connect. After a few seconds, that device will be displayed in the My Devices section, indicating that it's successfully connected to your iMac or MacBook and is ready for use. If you ever decide that you want to disconnect or entirely forget a Bluetooth device from your Mac computer, all you need to do is click the eye icon next to that device to open a window and then click Disconnect if you just want to temporarily disconnect from it, or click Forget this device if you want your iMac or MacBook to no longer connect to it going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.